Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a pair of seesaws that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin building our seesaws, starting with a 3-stud long cross-axle extender with a hole. I'm going to place a set of 2-stud long cross-axles on both ends as shown. And then I'm going to take a 2-stud long cross-axle extender. We're going to place these on the ends, and then set of friction pin with cross axle. Place these right in here. For the seats, take a 2x2 modified plate with Technic hole along one side. I'm going to take one of these 2x2 plates with the rounded top and a hole. I want to place this as shown to where this is on the flat side, and a modified 1x2 plate with handle. Place this right here. This is our little seat. I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to place this in such a way where this Technic hole is flat as shown. Now I want to make 2 of these. Then I'm going to take a yellow macaroni piece and an 8-stud long cross axle. We're going to place this in as shown. Take one of our seesaws, place that on there. Then a couple of these Technic pin extenders. Place a pair of these right here. Take our seesaw symbol, place this one right here. And level it off, another one of these macaroni noodle pieces. Let's line these up here because these will twist a little bit. That's the only way to anchor these down. But now we got a nice set of seesaws. They're scaled for minifigures.